Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to use QuickBooks to manage your auto repair shop. First, set up QuickBooks company file tailored for your auto repair shop. Now, customize the chart of accounts for parts, labor, and repair services. Here, create service items like diagnostics, oil change, and brake repair. After that, add customer profiles with vehicle info and service history. Generate estimates and convert them into invoices after the service. Next, record inventory of parts and track usage for accurate costing. Track technician payroll, commissions, and related expenses. Then, use bank feeds to match payments and reconcile transactions. Lastly, run reports to monitor shop profitability and expense trends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.